Lesson 9: AI for SDGs Sustainable Development Goals. Introduction to AI domains. Artificial intelligence develops intelligence based on the instructions it receives. The computer is fed with data sets for training. The data given into the AI algorithm varies based on the tasks it is being used for. According to the sort of data given to the AI model, there are three broad categories of AI models. Data science. Making a decision can be based on the data science extracted information. Data science, natural language processing, computer vision. Data sciences is an area of AI that deals with data systems and processes. In this area, a system collects a lot of data, maintains data sets, and generalizes meaning from the data. Examples: price comparison websites. There is lots of data driving websites. If you have ever used one of these websites, you are aware of how easy it is to compare a product's price among different vendors in one location. Price comparison websites including Price Grabber, Price Runner, Jungly, Shopzilla, and Deal Time, to name a few. In nearly every industry nowadays, including technology, hospitality, vehicles, durable goods, fashion, etc., price comparison websites may be found. Computer vision. The field of artificial intelligence known as computer vision, or CV for short, demonstrates the ability of a machine to gather and analyze visual data before making predictions about it. Image acquisition, screening, analysis, identification, and information extraction are all part of the process. Computers can comprehend any visual content and react directly thanks to this deep processing. In computer vision, images, movies, and pictures from thermal or infrared sensors, indications, and other sources can be input to machines. Projects involving computer vision convert digital visual data into descriptions. Then, in order to facilitate decision-making, this data is translated into machine language. Training machines to collect data from pixels is the main goal of this area of AI. Self-driving cars or automatic cars. CV systems scan live objects and analyze them based on whether the car decides to keep running or to stop. Natural language process. The field of artificial intelligence known as natural language processing or NLP is involved with how computers and people interact while utilizing natural language. Natural language processing (NLP), which aims to extract information from spoken and written words using algorithms, includes words that are spoken and written by people. The ultimate goal of NLP is to effectively read, decipher, understand, and make sense of human languages. Example of natural language processing. Email filters. One of the simplest and earliest online applications of NLP is email filtering. Spam filters were the first to identify certain words or phrases that indicate a spam message. What are SDGs? One of UN Human Rights Goals, when the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) were created in 2015, was to make human rights guidelines available to guide the national policies required to achieve them. As a result, artificial intelligence is now used to power the Universal Human Rights Index (UHRI), the largest and most complete database of human rights guidance from human rights mechanisms, and to display the connections between this guidance and the SDGs. Before this, OHCHR workers spent hours, days, weeks, and months analyzing and entering data for the tens of thousands of observations and suggestions from the Universal Periodic Review, treaty bodies, and special procedures. Before this, OHCHR workers spent hours, days, weeks, and months analyzing and entering data for the tens of thousands of observations and suggestions from the Universal Periodic Review, treaty bodies, and special procedures. According to Mahamane Goro, Director of Human Rights Council and Treaty Mechanisms Division at UN Human Rights, while we are expecting to save thousands of hours in manual work, human rights experts will continue to undertake quality checks at every stage, which in turn further updates the precision of the algorithm. This work is being replaced by artificial intelligence. The following are the SDGs. No poverty. Africans experience extreme poverty at the rate of 38%. Zero hunger. There are 795 million individuals who lack access to enough nutrition. Good health and well-being. Every year, issues related to pregnancy kill 300,000 women. Quality education. 750 million adults will struggle with reading and writing. Gender equality. Physical or sexual harm is experienced by 7 out of 10 women. Clean water and sanitation. In the world, 1 in 3 people lack access to clean drinking water. Affordable and clean energy. For 600 million people, modern electricity is inaccessible. Decent work and economic growth. More than 204 million individuals are still without a job. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Basic sanitation is inaccessible to 2.4 billion people. Reduced inequalities. 22% of the world's total income goes to the wealthiest 1%. Sustainable cities and communities. More than 70% of the world's carbon emissions come from cities. Responsible consumption and production. By 2050, our current consumption levels will require 3 planets to support us. Climate change. Disasters caused by climate change cost $520 billion USD annually. Life below water. 80% of marine population is brought on by land-based activities. Life on land. Animal species are in danger of going extinct in 22% of cases. Peace, justice and strong institutions. 20 persons are displaced because of war or persecution every minute. Partnerships for the goals. In 2020, there will be a 40% fall in global trade. The impact of AI on SDG. The United Nations adopted 17 SDGs during the General Assembly in 2015. The Leaving No One Behind ethics served as its foundation. They were chosen as an improved environment, improved society, a stronger economy. In regard to this, artificial intelligence can help achieve these objectives and improve the quality of life for all people on Earth. The provision of clean water, clean air, natural resources, sustainable energy and education are the main concerns facing the planet. As everyone is aware, there are numerous environmental issues as well as human issues like hunger and poverty. With the development of technology, thus far, we have not yet been successful in solving these issues. Artificial intelligence can therefore aid in the solution of such issues. AI societal impacts. No poverty. SDG 1. AI can aid in the global elimination of poverty in all of its manifestations. Zero hunger. SDG 2. AI can help achieve greater nutrition, food security and sustainable agriculture. Good health and well-being. SDG 3. AI can assist in the preparation of data for those who are living in poverty and assist them by easily supplying food, health, water and energy. Quality education. SDG 4. AI systems can be taught to support quality education and offer a solution. Gender equality. SDG 5. AI techniques are incapable of gender detection. AI may have negative effects in some areas as well. For example, the conditions and demands of the nation where they are developed are used to teach AI systems or tools. When it comes to SDG 5, gender equality, little research has been done. The accessible tools such as voice assistants and chatbots like Alexa or Siri are exclusively gendered for female use. More study is needed on intelligent algorithms, picture recognition, reinforced learning, or selection to improve this. AI tools can be used to provide individuals with access to clean water and sanitary facilities. SDG 6. Affordably and cleanly produced energy. SDG 7. AI can be trained to produce energy that is both affordable and clean, but the AI product design should call for the appropriate resources and tools. Sustainable cities and communities. SDG 11. AI has the potential to build intelligent cities that give people access to resources that are effective. Justice and strong institutions based on the rules established by various groups of people. Peace, justice and strong institutions, SDG 16. Thus, AI has made a significant impact on it. Depending on the situation, the instruments can receive training for law enforcement. Partnerships for the goals, SDG 17. AI can aid in forming partnerships and supporting partners as they work towards their objectives. AI economical impacts. The benefits of artificial intelligence for economic objectives are decent work and economic growth, SDG 8. Market participants frequently analyze data. In nations with low and moderate incomes, these data might not be accessible. The workplace culture may therefore be affected. Industry innovation and infrastructure, SDG 9. Using AI systems to solve difficult challenges promotes industry innovation. Complex procedures can be easily handled by it. It can also deal with the infrastructure problems that come with development. Reduce inequalities, SDG 10. Since AI technologies lack emotions, inequalities can be reduced by using them. Compared to other tools, they can produce better outcomes. If we use the AI that social media companies employ to display the information about users' interest on his profile. Another example is the use of AI tools to create jobs. AI environmental impacts. The following SDGs related to environmental may be impacted by AI. Addressing climate change, SDG 13. AI can be helpful in creating a warning in climatic scenarios. It can generate notifications, warn the department about climate change, and encourage correct steps. Life on land, SDG 15. Artificial intelligence systems can also be used for life on land. Through a variety of channels, including social media, search engines, and others, it can promote the use of ecosystems. Quick recap. Artificial intelligence develops intelligence based on the instruction it receives. Data systems and processes are the focus of the AI field known as data sciences. The United Nations adopted 17 SDGs during the General Assembly in 2015. One of UN human rights objectives was to make human rights recommendations available to guide the state policies required to carry them out.